31st August 2025 and Sunday. Kashmiri Vinayak Soramta Athavar. And today is Pawan Bal bhi mola कार भी जय हो जय हो जय हो पान भी बल कार भी अच्छा ये सुना था उन बैठे just 1 second. करते ठीक पूंत रहो थोड़ा सा पूंत रहो चलो ठीक है बाल भी बोला पाक भी Vinayak Tirumadratha Voidirpatha Vinayak Swaramta Athvar Punn Puja 8 August 2015 Sanjay Kher Sanna Moza Kher Manju Moza Kher okay that is good and teacher very beautiful road ch bad jaan bechu ye kalash बाइक वाले जमान लगा हुए जबस है ना तो जी ठीक चलो ठीक है गॉड ब्लेस इस छोटे से ये ठीक बटन देन ओके मंजू बग रोज़े पद्मास नस्मस याद क्या चुना कलश है भगवान जी चलो चुपतरा होने ऐसी में मुश्किल चल भी दिवी बे थाउस दहरा पे थाउस सुद थाउस भी मला दहरा पे सुद चलो दैट इज गुड गुड राट भी थी मला जय हो बजरंग बली की जय डैडी ची बतन उचान चला मन क्या भी ची करन मला they are the sweet bakery sweet roti and sweet rot achwana kosher but rot and then khashkhash and then cow ghee and then what and what not kya ge man kya chukon mola saman bi saman acha man ji kath one acha we have been repeating this for the last maybe thousands of years pan is kath and we start with that with complete humility, with complete, patience and complete submission, surrender, with all the good wishes for each and everybody, for the family, for the community, and for the world, for the nation and the world at large. So we start is karo as ye kath bar kar shuru kaachit pad gachan ke tapan ratan maz rata bodir petha Vinayak Soramta Athvar. तो आथवार यमी दो आसान ये बीब गरज माजि हुंद आसान ये करुन ऐसे ये फेस्टिवल मनावन तो अगर ये आथवार दो पे तो तेल देन इट इज़ अ स्पाइस देन इट इज़ अ टॉपिंग ऑन द दिस वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट Punn Puja Achmanan Punn Puja. What I have been just listening from my grandmother, from my mother, Shada Kher, Dhanavati Kher, that is what I'm in during my childhood times, maybe 35 years, more than 35 years back, prior to 1990, Kunushatan नाम तो ब्रोट उससे पहले 1990 से पहले जो मैंने सुना है वो मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ and that is what has been going on from the word of mouth. At Kajtapan ke aaj incidentally today is 31st August 2025 and it is Sunday and we are also celebrating this very very important day of Bhib Karaz merge, who is the harbinger of peace and happiness for the family and for the family. तो इसलिए कत इत पठन गछान ये रेतन मंज रेता बदर पथा विनायक चौरम तो आई जस्ट ट्राई टू रिकलेक्ट इट एंड आथवार तो पत क्या अत आसान राजा आसान तमिच फैमिली आसान शुर त आसान वाइफ त आसान बोड़ बार राज आसान सह कशीर मज ज़बरदस्त राज आसान तम सारी दुनिया आसान दुनिया तमिस आसान अंडर तमसी अंडर तो वारिया बोड़ राज आसान मगर राजस क्या यह आसान तमिस नश आसान बड़ खोदमुत नगम तमिस आसान नश दिमाग तमिस आसान खराब गोमुत नश बड़ आसान खोदमुत वन क्या गो अम सज जनान बड़ हम्बल बड़ शरीफ बड़ मतलब वेरी इंटेलिजेंट ऑल्सो वेरी मीन्स एजुकेटेड ऑल्सो बट एट द सेम टाइम वी सबमिटेड टू द गॉड एंड विद नो ईगो एंड just having all rituals used to rituals as per tम मनावान सो तो बड़ शरीफी सन बड़ क्या सबमिशन सतन बड़ कदर सतन सो मनावान तो I may not be perfect in words but then I'm just trying to speak what trying my best तो अम क्या वोन अमिस बीब गर्ज हज मज यम दो अम सुन दुह विनायक चौरम आथवार अम तो इथे पे यह अम दो सदी यह कोर्म सदी ने अम दो रोड बनमित रोड बनमित इथे पे रोड बनमित तो वन बिचार पूजा करान तो अम दो वन अमिस रोहनिस वोन वन दोस वल सह यह पूजा करने बे पूजा मज बेह क्या यह बड़ा बस 5-4 बजे तमन दोनों 3 बजे वथान वह 2 बजे वथान 3 बजे वथान 3 बजे वोसमुत सुमनस ब्रांदस चुम अम्स दुतमुत यह लिवन फश चुम दुतमुत गू सतन मतलब यूज टू यूज दैट काउ डंग दैट टाइम यू नो काउ डंग तो today it's tiles and what not and all that shiny and but it's not earthy. That's a different matter. Then what is happening that she had also prepared with all this reverence and all with devotion. She was a devotee of the god and goddesses also. Mata Sharda also. Sharda is our deity of whole of Kashmir, Mata Sharda. And then she had prepared these roads and then she was celebrating this Punn on Sunday. Vinayak Choram Athvar Chatwana Isilich. Just let me just try in English also. But what happened that this egoistic husband, king, she told him that okay, please just participate in this these rituals, and then also you also participate and be here in this function. But suddenly his mind became very bad. All the nonsense came to his mind. He was that, what is this nonsense? This, I don't agree with this, what you are doing and what you are not doing. This is all bad thing. I don't want. And he, in fact, he came with the shoes. Our shoes are always outside the boundary of the home and the kitchen also. Like we have put our shoes there, you can just see. He came with the shoe inside and then desecrated. He desecrated all the things and then he went off. He was very rude, he was very shouting at his family, at his wife, and then he went away. But this wife and the children, they were all in tears. They were weeping left and right. Very, very bad situation this king had created for them in the family of Kashmiri Pandits thousands of years back in Kashmir. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is happening that this king, suddenly another king came from India, means the rest of India, from Banial tunnel outside. He came and he annexed this king. He just put him annexed and he defeated him in the war, in battle, and then he put this king in the jail with all this, all kede, khatmal, sare, machhar, makhiya, सबके साथ में इसका सारी city was with all mosquitoes and all dirt, filth and dirt is in the jail. You because we have not seen jail, you say that we should never see that this jail. This is very important. We should keep away from this. I mean, thinking about it. But this bad man king, he went to the jail and he was in the jail now. Jail. So what is happening? Time passed, and then it came to his mind that I had done something very bad in the home, due to which the goddess has punished him, and then that's why he was in the jail, because he was suffering on daily basis, and he was weeping also, but there was nobody to help him. But the family, they became his wife and children became very extremely poor now. They were extremely poor. Then they were just trying to somehow just take their daily chores somehow with great labor, great effort. They were just trying to meet both ends meet and just take their meals and just live in a juggi jobdi, means, and shanties, you can say shanties. So they were living there in the shanties and in very bad shape, these children and the wife. But then what happened? One fine day, there was another house, Kashmiri Pandit house. They were also celebrating this very important, this road hastim balawan pan function was there. So why she was working as a झाड़ू पोंछा करने वाली इसकी लड़की, ये some school और she was doing some odd jobs and some sweeping and cleaning of the house. Housemaid, she was there in their house. And then when she saw it, that this Kashmiri Pandit family doing this pan, she was very surprised. And she told them that yes, we were very rich people. My father was a king, and then he had desecrated, and he had just come with the shoes inside, and then they told very bad things, told against this Bivgaraj merge also, and something had gone bad in his head, and due to which we became poor and everything went bad. So these Kashmiri Pandit family told them that don't worry, our daughter, please come here, baby, and you are also a part of the family, and you be here also, and you, while you go out, you should take the naveed, you should take the prashad, means prashad is kya Angrezi put mana, you should take the prashad while going, means some token of that road you should take some back, this sweet road. So but what happened, while she was going back, she took this naveed, this prasad with her to her home. And then all the picture of that some previous 20 years back, that picture came before his mother, and she told his daughter that you just see that we were also very good people, we were very rich people. We were not in some bad shape. It's only because of your father that we had come to this situation, and now we are poor and we're beggars, near beggars. So otherwise we were also preparing and doing this ritual, this very important function of Bivgaraj merge, pan ist divan donoske. So Chitaman Pan Posh to Onumutan, Posh to Visi Mubarak, which a Kashmir Pandit say, Post Pan Post. So the point is that so both the people were they were just slightly weeping, but this daughter was very strong-minded and very courageous. She told her mother, don't worry, let's also try to make the road and do this pan. Then the mother told that we are very poor people, we don't have any money, we don't have anything with us, and how can we make this road when we don't have ghee, we don't have those atta, we don't have wheat, we don't have other ingredients, also budal, khashkash, and all those what and what not. We don't have this. How we can make? We are very poor people. But then the girl told him, no problem. I will just generate. I will make a hard work, and I will generate and take it from the what you call that, the outside fields. And all those things. That's what my grandmother used to tell me, and my mother also, Shadakir, used to tell me, that she collected from just ground zero, means that she collected from the outside all these raw material, and then patchutun. So then she just did the grinding, and then there was a very small amount of flour that was available for ready for making a road, for making this particular. Now you can have so many roads, but it was only ready to make one road only. So only raw material for one road was there. So what happened, this then these people, these mother, children, this especially the driving force was the daughter, God bless her in the heavens. And then the mother was also very supportive, and then they were able to make one road. Now they were very happy, with all reverence, with all devotion. They just worshipped then, and then they took all these things, because this is available in this is grass only. And then they did all the good things, and then they made a road, and then do the puja also. And then afterwards they kept this road under a phut, means under this coverage. I don't know what is name of phut. Phatis tal thog here ak kya road thog ratas. We will eat it next day, because it has been whole day we have been doing it. It's very late, and now let us eat it on Monday with Mughal chai, Kashur chai, with kahwa. Okay. Then what happened then, these people, when in the morning, again early morning, 4 a.m. they will just woke up, and then they wanted to eat this after doing all the rituals of this livun os gusit and all these daily rituals, and parshan karunthis and things and like that morning rituals. They wanted to have it with kahwa was prepared, and now they were ready to have the road. The moment they removed this this cover from this road, it had turned to a golden road. It had turned completely into the gold, 24 karat gold. So the point is that now this was the power of the deity. This was the power of the mother goddess. Don't take it otherwise. Don't take it unserious. Let me be very clear about it, that there are some cosmic forces, there is some telepathy that is always watching us, because 99.9% is the shunya, that is the vacuum. Only tangible is 0.01% on the whole universe. And that's why I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, these forces definitely helped her to turn it into the golden road. And suddenly that king, super king, emperor came to his what you call that, their father, and told him that no, we don't want to continue your this jail term. Your conduct was very good, there is no fault of yours, we are releasing you from the jail. And then the emperor also released from the jail her father and the husband of the lady, and he came running to his home. And then he told that he bowed before his wife and told her that, okay, I will not make any mistake in future, and whatever you are doing in the name of goddesses, in the name of God, the complete household and the kitchen is in your own hands. I am only supporting the ritual, I am supporting the family, and you do what you like. And I really apologize a million times for the mistake that I have done. Now I have understood the authority and the power of the goddess Bibgara's merge, and now onwards will be just every year we will be celebrating this ritual. So what in the end my grandmother and mother used to tell, that the way those good sense has finally prevailed on those, has prevailed on finally on that family and that Raja, that good sense should always be prevailed on us. We should be given good buddhi, good sense, good knowledge, good wisdom, and we should bow before goddess Bibgars, and just every year with all devotion we should celebrate this ritual for the benefit, for the health and happiness of the family, and of course for the community and the world at large. Thank you. God bless. Try when manchune traun mola gode che me traun. Okay. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. Jai ho. Bhag mola.
Babu.
Babu. Mola mola. Try city mola. Nanju paran pion.
Babu.
Adı çeli tizi. Evet diyeceğiz mıdır hep bu masumla. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the story and of our great tradition, great heritage of Beeb Margar's merge of the Punn. The message was positivity. The message was goodness. The message was just humbleness. The message was humility. The message was empathy. The message was compassion. The message was no ego and submission. And the message was live in this world, in this beautiful world, a very responsible citizen of the nation and citizen of the world. That was the message that was happening.
Babu.
Mola mola. I'm sure you get I'm busy. Also mola. Just go over. God bless you. Also mola mola. Yat mujhe mola yat mujhe. नमस्कार कर नमस्कार कर नमस्कार पारन पे नमस्कार 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 पारन 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 पारन. That's great. God bless you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we wind up there, and then we now take Naveed of the Mankej Karun Mola Gavai Khatam. Complete? Nevicha Mankun Mola? Okay, that's great. Acha, when आज क्या choice बनाऊँ? There used to be some very important preparations like या इस बनावन तथा से इस बनावन या इस बनावन so mixed vegetable या इस बनावन so ladies and gentlemen, thank you. God bless you. मजा आ गया. Beautiful. 1,000 times better than shakarkandi. This is cow ghee, this is khashkash, this is special wheat atta, and then there is madhuram. No crystal sugar, no white sugar. That is madhuram with a madhur smile. Thank you. God bless. Jai ho, jai ho.